The film opens with a scene of a chase and a violent fight between the boss Xicman and a group of red uniformed soldiers. The red uniformed soldiers want to seize the important data Xicman holds, but he hides it away. They all lunge at each other, fighting viciously. Xicman kills one of the soldiers. Seeing this, another soldier rushes in to attack him. Thanks to Xicman's superior fighting skills, he quickly defeats the soldier. As he advances, one soldier escapes, but Xicman kills the remaining one. Xicman refuses to let the escaping soldier go. He chases him relentlessly, and in just a moment, the boss also kills that soldier. SWAT Officer Jack is out on patrol by himself. Suddenly, Jack comes upon a shocking sight: the bodies of the red uniformed soldiers lying on the ground. Jack wonders who committed this brutal act. He imagines how the two soldiers might have been killed. Meanwhile, Xicman returns to his base feeling quite pleased. He approaches his laptop and inserts the important data he obtained earlier. Jack has arrived near the boss's base and observes it carefully before taking action. Jack skillfully sneaks into Xicman's base. Inside, the boss is still overjoyed with the data he's acquired.
Yes.
Spotting Xicman, Jack quickly hides. After the boss leaves, Jack resumes his mission. A criminal sees Jack, the SWAT officer, and opens fire, forcing Jack to dodge. Hearing gunshots, Xicman glances at the data in his hand and quickly decides to hide. Jack fights back against the gunman. Meanwhile, the criminal's comrades downstairs rush upstairs to join the fight. A fierce shootout ensues between Jack and the criminal. Jack manages to kill one of the criminals. Enraged, the remaining criminals fire wildly at the SWAT officer. Jack uses a special technique and shoots one criminal, injuring him. The wounded criminal retreats inside to grab another weapon before charging back out to shoot at Jack. Jack pulls out a grenade. Seeing a criminal rushing down from the upper floor, he tosses the grenade upward. The grenade explodes, instantly killing the criminal. Jack then quickly shoots the remaining criminal dead. Jack approaches the boss's laptop, but finds nothing on it, leaving him frustrated. He continues searching for the mastermind behind all this. Another criminal suddenly appears and fires at Jack, forcing him to dodge and return fire. Xicman quietly draws a blade and attempts to slash Jack, but the SWAT officer avoids it. Jack swiftly kills the last criminal. He fires repeatedly at Xicman, but the boss dodges and snatches the SWAT officer's weapon. Xicman launches a fierce assault on Jack. The two engage in a violent struggle. In the end, Xicman flees. Jack considers chasing him, but spots the important data and chooses to recover it instead of pursuing. Severely injured, Jack leaves the scene with the retrieved data.